In the realm of agility and coaching, experiments play a pivotal role in driving innovation and continuous improvement. They allow teams to test hypotheses, validate assumptions, and learn from failures in a controlled environment. This presentation delves into the various aspects of conducting experiments beyond the mainstream methodologies, emphasizing their importance in fostering a culture of agility and growth. Experimentation is the backbone of agile practices. It involves trying out new ideas, processes, or tools in a controlled setting to observe their effects. The goal is to gather data and insights that can inform decision making and drive improvements. In coaching, experiments help teams and individuals to step out of their comfort zones, challenge the status quo, and discover more effective ways of working. Before diving into experiments, it's crucial to establish a clear objective. What are you trying to learn or achieve? Define the hypothesis and the metrics that will be used to measure success. Ensure that the team understands the purpose of the experiment and is aligned with the goals. This alignment is key to gaining meaningful insights and fostering a collaborative environment. Designing an effective experiment involves several steps. Start with a clear hypothesis and identify the variables that will be tested. Determine the duration of the experiment and the resources required. It's essential to create a safe environment where failure is seen as a learning opportunity. Document the process meticulously to ensure that the results can be analyzed and replicated if needed. Execution is where the rubber meets the road. Implement the experiment according to the plan, ensuring that all team members are engaged and aware of their roles. Monitor the process closely, collecting data and observations. Be prepared to make adjustments if unforeseen challenges arise. The key is to maintain flexibility while staying true to the core objectives of the experiment. Once the experiment is complete, it's time to analyze the results. Compare the outcomes against the initial hypothesis and metrics. Look for patterns and insights that can inform future actions. It's important to involve the entire team in this analysis to gain diverse perspectives. Document the findings and discuss what worked, what didn't, and why. Failures are an inevitable part of experimentation, but they are also valuable learning opportunities. When an experiment doesn't go as planned, it's crucial to analyze what went wrong without assigning blame. Focus on the lessons learned and how they can be applied to future experiments. This mindset fosters a culture of continuous improvement and resilience. Experimentation is an iterative process. Based on the insights gained, refine the hypothesis and design new experiments. This cycle of testing, learning, and improving is at the heart of agile practices. Encourage the team to embrace this iterative approach, celebrating small wins and learning from setbacks. Over time, this will lead to significant improvements in processes and outcomes. Consider a case study of an organization undergoing agile transformation. The team decided to experiment with different sprint lengths to find the optimal duration. They started with 2-week sprints, then tried 3-week and 1-week sprints. By analyzing the results, they discovered that 2-week sprints provided the best balance of productivity and flexibility. This experiment informed their future sprint planning and improved overall efficiency. In the context of experiments, the coach plays a crucial role. They guide the team through the process, helping to define objectives, design experiments, and analyze results. The coach also fosters a safe environment where team members feel comfortable taking risks and learning from failures. Their support and encouragement are vital to the success of the experimentation process. Various tools and techniques can aid in conducting experiments. Kanban boards, for instance, can help visualize the workflow and track progress. Retrospectives are essential for reflecting on the outcomes and identifying areas for improvement. Data analytics tools can provide insights into performance metrics. Leveraging these tools can enhance the effectiveness of experiments and drive better results. Conducting experiments is not without challenges. Resistance to change, lack of resources, and fear of failure can hinder the process. To overcome these challenges, it's important to build a culture of trust and openness. Communicate the benefits of experimentation and involve the team in decision-making. Provide the necessary resources and support to ensure that experiments can be conducted effectively. Experiments are a powerful tool in the arsenal of agile teams and coaches. They enable continuous learning and improvement, driving innovation and growth. By embracing experimentation, teams can navigate the complexities of the modern business environment with agility and resilience. The next steps involve applying these principles in your own context, designing and conducting experiments to drive your agile journey forward.